to Nusa Lembongan and we're trying a new company this morning. We normally always go with Rocky. Who are we going with, Rob? Robbie? What's the company's name that we're going with? Zetia. So it's cost us a little bit more, but not much. I think an extra $15, but we're going to give it a go and we'll let you know what we think about it.
Awesome. Excellent.
So, do you have reservation?
Thank you. Thank you. Nusa Lembongan, here we come. Yeah, be careful of the hati-hati. Looks quite nice. Oh. This is a little bit different, Rob. Look at the seats. Bit posh. What do you reckon, Rob, so far on your thoughts of this boat? What do you think? Comfortable. Very comfortable. Very, very nice.
Air conditioning, which is unusual.
Yeah. TVs.
TVs.
And the driver's just through those doors. So let's see. See on
Free Wi-Fi.
free Wi-Fi.
Password is...
That's cool. So far, so good, people. That was a really smooth ride. I don't even think it took half an hour.
No.
Welcome to Nusa Lembongan. Girls are noisy. How beautiful is the water?
What's the fish?
So we're here. Thank you. I just thought that.
Watch your head.
Watch your head, watch your head. And then we just got to get on.
Lebar.
Salah, bon, on est de toute façon très bien avec
Dan
Yeah, no.